Greetings, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Earth's Medicine, where we explore the healing wonders of Mother Earth with a Jamaican flavor. If you're new to the channel, my name is Monique, and on here we strive to educate people like you on the health benefits and medicinal uses of plants that are grown in Jamaica and also in other parts of the world. So consider subscribing. It's totally free. And turn on your post notifications so you will get an alert when we upload our next video. So ginger has a long history of cultivation and use, dating back over 5,000 years. It was highly prized in ancient civilizations such as China, India, and ancient Rome, where it was traded along the famous Silk Road. Now, in addition to its culinary uses, ginger has been an integral part of traditional medicine systems for centuries. It has a long history of use here in Jamaica, also in Ayurveda, which is an Indian traditional system of medicine, traditional Chinese medicine, Arabic, and various other indigenous healing practices for its medicinal properties. So in today's video, we're pretty much going to be looking at some of its medicinal uses, 7 health benefits, available forms, recommended dosage, how to add ginger to your diet, where you can get ginger and ginger products to buy, and some precautions. Keep watching for more. Ginger is one of the common names for a plant that is scientifically known as Zingiber officinale. In Jamaica, it is commonly referred to as ginger root and Jamaican ginger. It's native to Asia, although it is now cultivated here in Jamaica and in many other tropical and subtropical countries worldwide. It's a member of the Zingiberaceae plant family, which also includes other well-known species like turmeric and cardamom. The part of the ginger plant that is most commonly utilized in cooking and in medicine is its rhizomes, which is the underground stem of the plant, and this is the part of the plant that it actually grows from. The rhizome is knobby and it has a pale yellowish brown skin with a hard yellow flesh inside. It has a very pungent aroma and a spicy flavor, which is slightly sweet and peppery. It's a very versatile spice that is used in cuisines worldwide. It adds a unique flavor and aroma to dishes ranging from sweet to savory. Fresh ginger is commonly used in meat dishes, stir fries, curries, and desserts. And ginger powder is oftentimes used for baking, seasoning, and making spice blends. Ginger is also used as an ingredient in a variety of beverages, including Jamaica's popular Christmas beverage, sorrel, and ginger beer. In Jamaica, ginger can be found growing in all parishes, and unlike many of our other medicinal plants, it doesn't grow wildly, so it has to be planted and cared for. The parts of the plant that are used to make medicine are the rhizomes and, to a lesser extent, the leaves. In Jamaican folklore medicine, ginger is used to make tea, which is taken for body cramps, especially period cramps, and colds. It's also taken for colic, belly aches, and bloating. Some people also chew on a fresh piece of ginger root as treatment for a sore throat or bloating, or they use ginger powder to make tea, and then they just gargle with this as a remedy for a sore throat. Ginger is also combined with other Jamaican herbs and used as a remedy for a number of ailments. For example, ginger is sometimes combined with Jamaican peppermint to make tea, and what this does is to tone down on the warming effect of ginger, and this combination is useful for bloating. The leaves of the plant are said to be useful for a fever. In traditional Chinese medicine, ginger is said to be useful for arthritis, cramps, sprains, sore throats, rheumatism, muscular aches, pains, vomiting, constipation, indigestion, hypertension, dementia, fever, and infectious diseases. In other parts of the world, ginger is used to relieve pain, nausea, and vomiting. It's also useful as a digestive stimulant for gout and rheumatic pain, catarrh, for colds and the flu, stomach cramps, and to speed up metabolism. Warm ginger tea is taken to treat a fever and is said to be useful for promoting sweating and for helping to get rid of mucus in the sinuses, throat, and lungs. It's also said that when combined with stronger laxative herbs, it is useful for preventing griping, that is good for diarrhea, chronic bronchitis, dyspepsia, and gas. It's said to be useful for treating headaches and stiff, sore, painful arthritic joints, and that it can be useful for combating high cholesterol and blood clots. Also, high blood pressure, asthma, chronic fatigue, sluggishness, neuralgia, diabetes, kidney and bladder issues, chronic eczema, ringworm, toothache, earache, intestinal worms, and indigestion. Plus, it's said to be a natural antibiotic. Ginger has vitamin C, magnesium, and potassium, which are all important for good health. It also has gingerol, which is a natural oil that has powerful medicinal properties that can help to cut down on inflammation. It acts as an antioxidant and it can offer a lot of other benefits to your health. For inflammation-related conditions like osteoarthritis, studies suggest that ginger can improve pain and stiffness over time. Studies also show that ginger can reduce menstrual cramps, that gingerol in ginger helps keep blood sugar levels steady, that ginger can ease an upset stomach, and that it can improve digestion. Studies also show that adding ginger to your diet can help to reduce LDL levels, total cholesterol, and blood triglyceride levels. Apart from fresh or dried ginger rhizomes, ginger is also available in the form of ginger powder, tea bags, tinctures, capsules, and essential oils. It's also used to make face and body soap, food items such as gingerbread and ginger sticks, and it's used to make ginger beer and ginger ale. It's not recommended for kids under 2 to take ginger, but for children who are over 2, it can be given to them to treat nausea, stomach cramping, and headaches, but it's best to speak to your doctor about the correct dose to take. It's recommended for you to take up to 3 to 4 grams of ginger a day, and for pregnant women, they should stick to 1 gram daily. You can add ginger to your recipes by peeling fresh ginger and then slicing, dicing, or shredding it. You can also use dried ginger, powdered ginger, or ginger oil or juice. However, fresh ginger has more gingerol than dried or powdered ginger. Fresh, unpeeled ginger can stay in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks before it gets rancid. If you look at the skin and you notice that it starts to look wrinkled or moldy, you should throw it out. And if you don't plan to use peeled ginger right away, you can always freeze it. If you're using powdered ginger, the taste and smell may be different and it's best to use less. A 1/4 teaspoon of powdered ginger typically equates to 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger. And people tend to use powdered ginger mostly in baking. You can get raw ginger and dried ginger to buy in most grocery stores and farmers markets. You can also get them to buy on Amazon as well. Amazon also has ginger powder, tea bags, tinctures, capsules, and essential oils. For those of you who are interested, I've included some links to some of these products in the description below, so you can click on these links and take a look. Ginger is safe to take in moderation for most people. It has blood thinning properties and can interact with blood thinning medications, so speak to your doctor before using it. It may also interact with diabetic meds and high blood pressure meds, so again, speak to your doctor before taking it if you're on these meds. If you take ginger in high doses, it could cause mild heartburn, diarrhea, and a mouth irritation. However, if you take ginger supplements in capsules or you take it with your meals, it might help to prevent the mild stomach side effects like belching, heartburn, and a stomach upset. It's not recommended for people who have peptic ulcers to take ginger. That's it for now, folks. I hope you found value in today's video, and I'll see you in the next video.